Wetlands aren't just water, they are the most crowded neighborhood in nature. In our streams and rivers, life moves with current, hosting species that have thrived for centuries. Our lakes are ancient centuries. Traditional wisdom taught us that every plant and fish here is a gift from nature. In estuaries, fresh meets salt. It's a nursery for the ocean where life begins for thousands of species, from migratory birds to tiny insects. Wetlands support 40% of all global species. They are the Earth's natural pharmacy. When we save wetland, we save thousands stories of survival. So this Wetland Day, let's honor this heritage.